Understanding Green-Minded, a guide to slang in English. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the colorful world of English slang. Specifically, we're going to demystify the phrase, green-minded. Get ready to add some new lingo to your English vocabulary. The term, green-minded, can have a couple of meanings depending on the context. Typically, it refers to someone who is environmentally conscious and cares deeply about ecological issues. They are committed to sustainable living and are often involved in activities that support the health of our planet. However, in slang, green-minded can take on a more risque connotation. It might be used to describe someone who often thinks about adult or sexual topics. This usage is less formal and should be approached with caution, as it can be inappropriate in certain settings. Let's see how to incorporate green-minded into your conversations. If you're talking about environmentalism, you might say, "My friend is very green-minded. She volunteers for beach cleanups every weekend." For the slang meaning, it is often used in a teasing manner, like, "Stop being so green-minded. This is a serious conversation." Understanding the context is crucial when using slang. With green-minded, always consider your audience and the setting. If in doubt, it's safer to stick to the environmentally friendly meaning. And that's a wrap on green-minded. Whether you're discussing climate action or navigating the nuances of slang, you're now equipped to use this phrase confidently. Keep practicing, and soon, you'll be impressing native speakers with your green-minded vocabulary. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more language tips.